We have a Westinghouse elevator here. Tahoe Hall, Sac State University. This one got a little fixture replacement. Motor. Nice. EPCO Circleline replacement. This cab has seen better days. There's another elevator here, so check that one out. The other elevator at Tahoe Hall, Sac State University. Another Westinghouse with AE. That's a big gap. Oh yeah, that's a fat gap. Anyway. Okay, what the fuck? Westinghouse controller. Yeah, these are still on the original controller. Oh, very nice. Tahoe West elevator number 2. This thing is kind of loud all the way down. Man, look at the floor. Can't even keep a Westinghouse original. What a shame.